Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today in this video we are going to learn chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is landforms. Okay, now as soon as this chapter is concerned, it is very interesting chapter and we can get lots of information with the help of this chapter. So first question is that what is landform? You know very well land and forms means different types. In our surrounding, we are aware about mountains, rivers, valleys, plateaus and all that thing. Okay, so they are different landforms. And today in this video, we'll have to learn the different landforms with their types in detail. So without wasting time, let us start the chapter. So movements take place in the crust of the earth over the time. So what is crust? Crust means we can say hard layer, means the upper layer of the earth. See what happened. So movement take place in the crust of the earth over the time, means as time pass or after some times what happen that something like occur or some movements take place in the crust of the earth. मतलब जो crust है हार्ड लेयर है अर्थ का, उसमें टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम उसमें मूवमेंट्स होते रहते हैं. मूवमेंट्स मेक द चेंज the landforms, and because of these moments the different we can see the different and even there is a change in the landforms. Which type of moments? See, we find such type of experiences through the incident like shocks of earthquakes, volcano or a tsunami, etc. Now what happened that shock of earthquake, sometimes when the earthquake occurs what happened, जो लैंड है वो अंदर चली जाती है या कभी कभी ऊपर भी आ जाती है. देन वॉल्केनो, सो यू नो वेरी वेल दैट द लावा केम. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एंड इवन सुनामी. with the help of these kind of movements sometimes we can see the change in the landforms. These movements somewhere create mountains, plateaus and fold valleys. Now what happened because of these moments? Which type of moments? So earthquake, volcano and tsunami, what happened? Somewhere it creates mountain, plateaus and fold valleys. तो ये मोमेंट की वजह से क्या होता है, ये मोमेंट की वजह से क्या होता है कि कभी कभी माउंटेन्स बनते हैं, प्लेट्यूज बनते हैं एंड इवन वैलीज भी बनती है. नाउ व्हाट इज वैलीज? सो लेटर ऑन वी विल डिस्कस इन द डिटेल दैट व्हाट इज वैली. Okay, in addition to these erosion and deposition occur due to the natural forces like river, glacier, wind, sea waves are which create alluvium plains, valleys and gorges. Now see, in addition to erosion, now what is erosion? For example, from here the river is flowing. Okay, तो यहाँ पे on the river bank we have the trees. तो ये continuous river फ्लो होने की वजह से यहाँ पे जो सॉइल होगी वो उसके साथ क्या चली जाएगी, पानी के साथ चली जाएगी. तो वी कैन से यहाँ की जो लैंड है उसका इरोजन हुआ, मतलब पानी के साथ वो ज़मीन जो है सॉइल है वो चली गई, दैट इज़ इरोजन. देन डिपोजिशन. नाउ व्हाट हैपन कि यहाँ से जो भी मिट्टी चली गई वो कभी ना कभी एक प्लेस ऐसा आएगा कि वहाँ पे वो डिपोजिट हो जाएगी. सो दैट इज़ डिपोजिशन. occur due to the natural forces like river, glacier. मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया रिवर. नाउ ग्लेशियर. सो व्हाट इज ग्लेशियर? समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन द माउंटेन्स आर कवर्ड विद द स्नो. तो यहाँ पे आइस की बड़ी बड़ी सीट्स हो जाती है, दैट इज ग्लेशियर. देन विंड एंड सी वेव्स. ओके, विद सेम विथ सी वेव्स एंड इवन वी कैन से रिवर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स व्हाट हैपन? alluvial plain. Now what is alluvial? Alluvial मतलब very fertile sediment, जो एकदम fertile चीज़ें होती है, that is alluvial. तो उससे plains बनता है. Now what is plain? So plain is a ground. Then valleys. Now what is valley? Two mountains के बीच में जो portion होता है, okay, that is valley. And gorges means river, एक ऐसी narrow valley जो steps मतलब दोनों साइड होती है and इवन द रिवर इज़ रनिंग थ्रू दैट माउंटेन. मतलब माउंटेन जो होते हैं उसके से बीच में से जो निकले वाली वैली, बट उसके दोनों साइड पे यू कैन गेट द रिवर. सो दैट इज गॉर्जेस. When a particular part of the land surface takes certain height, slope and shape is called a landform. See, what is landform? सो व्हेन अ पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ लैंड सरफेस टेक अ सर्टेन हाइट, कोई एक ऐसा लैंड फॉर्म जो सर्टेन हाइट क्रिएट करेगा, मीन्स एट अ सर्टेन हाइट। स्लोप मतलब जिसको हम ऐसे बोलेंगे, वो सीधा नहीं, थोड़ा बेंड, जहाँ से कोई आप चीज़ गिराओगे तो इट विल कम डाउन। सो दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड लैंड फॉर्म, मीन्स इफ the shape create a particular height, so it is called landform. You can see here the photograph of different landform. First one is mountain, you can see at a height. Then mines, okay, means with the help of that mines we take out the ores and even crude oil and everything. Then plateau means these kind of shape, little bit upside from the surrounding surface. Then plain means ground. Then island means four sides are covered with the land, and here you can see sea level. So main types of landform we can say. Movements take place in the crust of the earth over the time. Movements make a change the landforms. We find such type of experiences through the incidents like shock of earthquake and volcano and tsunami etc. Okay, we have already discussed that ये जो movement होती है वो जो सी क्रस्ट है ओवर द टाइम इट हैपन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपन दैट different landforms are created. Now main types of landforms. So which main type of landforms are there that we have to learn in detail. So landforms are recognized by various names like mountain, plateau, plain etc. according to the height of the region. So according to the height of a particular place we can divide the landforms into main types like mountain, plateaus, plain etc. Islands are there, even valleys are there, isthmus are there, gulf, bay and all that things. Okay, so according to the height of the region means according to the height of the particular place we can divide the landforms in different types. So first one we'll have to learn, that is mountain. So the area having more than 900 meters height above the sea level with gentle or abrupt slope is called mountain. Now see what happened. Suppose this one is our sea level. Okay, so the area having more than 900 meters means the height of the particular landform is about 900 meters. So that is called mountain, even with the gentle or abrupt slope. Gentle means straight slope, or we can say sometimes sudden slope. Sometimes what happen, proper surface is not there. So height above the sea level, how much? So 900 meter. So the area having more than 900 meter height. Okay, you have to remember the heights of all the landform. So the area having more than 900 meter height above the sea level. Sea level से ऊपर कितनी height? So 900 meter. So it is called mountain. And even what we have to remember, with sloping area. So that is called mountain. Mountains are formed in the crust of the earth due to action, reaction and interaction of natural and physical forces like earthquake and volcanoes. So how these mountains occur or formed? So the crust of the earth, मतलब जो harder part of the earth or upper layer of the earth, due to action, reaction and interaction. Now what happened? Action means suppose the earthquake will come. Then reaction, मतलब after the earthquake also sometimes we can get the aftershock. So that, and interaction means anything happen like naturally, forces like earthquake, volcanoes. Then we have discussed about tsunami and all that thing. So these mountains are occurred. Impact of more than one means multiple action. The forces are seen in the origination and development of the mountain. What happened because of these things, मतलब natural things we have discussed, that earthquake or volcano, everything like that. So these development of the mountains occur. That is why in the context of their various specs, mountains are different from each other, and because of the different aspects, or we can say the different kinds of things, the mountains are different from each other. It is not like that the mountains are mountains only. We have 4 types of mountains, okay, generally, and we have to learn that 4 kinds of mountain. So because of the different context, we have the different type of mountains. So classification of mountain, it's very important. You will have to learn in 2 marks. So mountains are divided into 4 divisions on the basis of process of formation. It is very important according to the process of formation, मतलब कैसे वो mountains बनते हैं उसके हिसाब से हम लोग माउंटेन को 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 1 इज फोल्ड माउंटेन, सेकेंड वन इज ब्लॉक माउंटेन, थर्ड वन वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन, and second one is fourth one is that residual mountain. Which 4 types of mountains are there? So fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain and residual mountains. So first of all we'll have to learn fold mountain. So most of collectively deposit sediment at the bottom of the sea or lake create folds due to the pressure which comes from the both sides. Now what happens, see, most of the collective deposited sediments at the bottom of the sea, जहाँ पे बॉटम ऑफ द सी जितने भी डिपोजिट हुए हैं एल्यूवियम और कोई भी कलेक्टिव चीज़ होती है, और लेक, नॉट ओनली इन सी बट लेक. आपको पता ही है कि जो भी चीज़ डिपोजिट होगी वो पानी के नीचे जमा हो जाएगी, ऊपर नहीं. ओके, सो क्रिएट फोल्ड्स ड्यू टू द प्रेशर विच कम फ्रॉम बोथ दी साइड्स. नाउ व्हाट हैपन दैट if the pressure will come from both the sides, so it will change into fold mountain. Its upper part turn as a peak and the lower part turn as a valley form can be seen. See, you can see here that here you can see the deposit. Now because of the pressure from both the side, you can see here yellow arrow indicate the pressure, and because of this what happened, the upper layer means we can say जो upper part है it will turn into peak. You can see here peak. Okay, both these sides, and lower part will turn in as a valley. So between these dark green color indicate the valley. Okay, so what happened, fold mountain, because of the deposited sediment, what happened, and due to the pressure which comes from both the sides, the upper part turned into peak and lower part turned into valley. That is called fold mountains. Means fold हो जाना, पूरी कोई चीज़ है उसको आप फोल्ड करोगे, टर्न करोगे, तो यहाँ पे अपर पार्ट है it will turn into mountain from both the sides and middle part will turn into the valley. So that is fold mountain. You can see here crust and here it is written upper part. Now you have to remember the examples, that which are the examples of fold mountain. So Himalaya in Asia, Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America and Andes in South America are the main fold mountains in the world. So which are the main fold mountains in the world? So Himalaya in Asia means in India, you know very well. Then Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America and Andes in the South America are the main fold mountains of the world. Then comes block mountain. So due to the geological forces, pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth, then cracks are formed. As a result, surrounding area submerged and central part remains stable, forming block mountain. Then gorges are formed in the lower area. Now see what happened due to the geological forces. You know very well that if we are going to down of the earth means bottom of the earth, so the force is there. So because of these force what happened, to surface of the earth taken cracks, sometimes even you can see the cracks. Okay, so because of these cracks the surrounding area submerged, मतलब दोनों के साथ क्या हो जाते हैं, merge हो जाते हैं, and central part remain the stable. और सेंट्रल जो पार्ट है आजू बाजू का एरिया मर्ज हो जाएगा और सेंट्रल पार्ट है वो सेम रहेगा एंड इट विल क्रिएट द ब्लॉक माउंटेन. देन एग्जाम्पल्स आर होस्ट माउंटेन इन जर्मनी is the best example of it. Therefore such mountains are also called Horst mountain. So best example of block mountain is Horst mountain. Now some of the other examples of block mountains are Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal mountain of India are the best example of fold mountain. So as far as the mountains of India are concerned, which mountains are there? So Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal. So they are considered as block mountain, and important mountain is Horst mountain which is situated in Germany. Now you will have the example of fold mountain here, a block mountain here. Okay, so you can see here ये जो part है that is we can say in a straight portion, and here you can see Okay, so that is, we can say, block mountain. And best example you have to remember, that is Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal. They are situated in India, so they are the best example of block mountain. I hope block mountain and fold mountains concept is clear, but still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.